How do vacuum leaks affect motorcycle idle speed? Have you ever noticed your motorcycle idling erratically? You might be dealing with a vacuum leak. Let's break down how these leaks can impact your idle speed. Vacuum leaks allow unmetered air to enter the intake system. This extra air disrupts the air-fuel mixture needed for proper combustion. When the mixture is off, your idle speed can become unstable or even higher than normal. You may experience a rough or unstable idle, making it hard to set a steady speed. The engine might surge, stall, or run unevenly when you are at low throttle openings. This happens because the extra air creates a lean mixture, meaning there is too much air compared to fuel. At idle, your engine needs a balanced mixture to run smoothly. When a vacuum leak introduces more air, the engine control unit or carburetor cannot adjust properly. This can lead to fluctuations in your idle revolutions per minute, or RPM. You might notice the idle suddenly jumping higher or dropping unexpectedly. The engine may sound boggy or run poorly until you open the throttle more, which can mask the leak's effects. Other symptoms of vacuum leaks include loss of power and difficulty starting the engine. You may find that your motorcycle runs better with the choke on. This is because the choke enriches the mixture, helping to counteract the lean condition caused by the leak. Common sources of vacuum leaks include cracked intake boots, loose clamps, damaged hoses, or worn throttle shaft seals. If you notice erratic idle speed or struggle to adjust the idle, checking for vacuum leaks should be a priority. To do this, visually inspect the intake boots and hoses. You can also spray carburetor cleaner or starter fluid around suspected areas. If the idle changes when you spray, you have likely found a leak. Make sure all clamps and connections are tight. Repairing vacuum leaks is essential for restoring proper idle speed control. Replacing damaged components or tightening fittings will improve your motorcycle's overall performance. Remember, a stable idle speed is vital for a smooth ride. So, if you suspect a vacuum leak, take the time to diagnose and fix it. Your motorcycle will thank you with better performance and reliability.